Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I'll try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Clyde Noun Daily Restore product. So this product is basically a supplement capsule that will help you to restore your balance, and it will also help you especially if you have used the alcohol very frequently. And it supports the liver detox and cellular defense, boosts mood and mental clarity. So these are actually the bold claims made by their website, but let's find out that how much legit and original these claims are. So if you scroll a little bit up, you will see that these products is actually recommended, or maybe you can say like endorsed by these two doctors. So these two doctors are very popular, and I've tried to search out if this product is actually endorsed by these two one. I haven't find any evidence behind this, so I'm not sure if this is the actual endorsement of this product. So this also is a major red flag. And if you scroll a little bit up the science behind every capsule, you will see few natural products that are included to make this capsule, and these natural products are actually a beneficial one. So this is a good point in case if these are actually being used to produce this capsule. And if you try to scroll a bit more, you will see some of the customer reviews, and you can see that almost all the customer reviews are actually positive, but we never know if those are actual reviews because this is not on Amazon website. So let's find out this on Amazon. And I've tried to search for this Cloud9 Restore capsule on Amazon, and you will see that they have a really good rating, which is based on 16 reviews, and 300 plus people have bought this in past month. And if you try to look for the ratings of Cloud9 on Trustpilot, it have 3.7 out of 5-star rating, which is slightly a moderate or good rating. So in conclusion, I would say you should buy this product only after consulting with your doctor. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.